Are you looking for the best desks in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best desks.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the FEZIBO Height Adjustable Electric Standing Desk. The FEZIBO Height Adjustable Electric Standing Desk is an elegant workspace that provides ample room for your work. With the electric lift system, the desk has 3 preset buttons that can customize your desired heights from 27.3 to 45.5. The desk contains an industrial-grade steel frame that is able to support up to 176 pounds. The desk platform comes packaged in 2 sections for simple assembly by the precise screws and accessories. Additionally, the standing desk is protected from bumps and scratches with a sensor for detecting obstacles in the path of desk's movement. Moving on at number 4, we have the SEDETA L-shaped computer desk. The SEDETA L-shaped computer desk is a great choice for creating an efficient workspace. It comes with a reversible 67-inch corner desk or 94.5-inch long office desk, LED lights, keyboard tray, headphone hook, storage bag, top hutch, extra long desk that can hold 3 monitors, 2 storage shelves and CPU stand. It is easy to assemble and provides plenty of room for studying, working, or other office activities. At number 3, we have the ODK 47-inch small office computer desk. The ODK 47 inches computer desk with drawers and shelves is perfect for your work from home needs. It features 3 fabric drawers for easy storage, a removable 2-tier shelf for more storage space, and a sturdy metal and wood construction that ensures it won't wobble while in use. The desktop size is perfect for your laptop and books, and is suitable for a full-size person. It is easy to assemble with clear instructions and has a 30-day free return exchange service with a 24-hour online professional after-service team. At number 2, we have the Engriy Writing Computer Desk. The Engriy Writing Computer Desk is a great choice for any home office. It features a 47 inches tabletop with 2 tiers of open shelves and 2 hooks on the side to store items. The desk is adjustable and has a rustic board and dark metal frame that can match any room's decor. It is easy to assemble and comes with all the necessary tools. The desk is waterproof and has rounded corners to prevent injuries. It is sturdy and can hold up to a large computer tower. And finally at number 1, we have the L-shaped desk with file cabinet and power outlet. This L-shaped desk is designed to provide convenience and practicality for home office use. It features a built-in power charge station with 3 regular outlets and 2 USB ports, allowing you to charge your devices while working. The desk also has LED lights that can be controlled with a remote or phone app, offering a variety of colors and modes for a great ambiance. It comes with 2 drawers and 3 open storage shelves to keep your office supplies organized, and the adjustable shelf can be customized to fit your needs. The desk is constructed of high-grade MDF board and a heavy-duty metal frame for stability and durability.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.